joined this program in JTIF in 2025, I'm pretty sure, and it was a 5-month course, and I really enjoyed the classes. I learned a lot about robotics and coding. It brought me interest in robotics. So after that course, I joined this course, and this one was way more interesting. I learned how to make circuits, how to create dashboards, and many other things. So I really enjoyed it. Every week, like I feel like coming here because the classes, they're so interesting. Then the mentors, they're so kind. They teach us really well. And number one, I learned the basics of how to build a circuit. Number two, I learned the embedded C language, the coding language.
So before I could not code JavaScript nicely, so now I can do it nicely and on myself. So I enjoyed ESP now because we can communicate with robots, and it can make space robotics more interactive than theoretical. I was stage fright, but now I can speak in people, and public speaking is my best part.
Earlier, I had an experience in AI robotics, but coming in 10x and interacting with the mentors over here was very different. I learned everything very technically, and I was thorough with all the concepts I learned in this 10x through the journey of 4 months. And now I'm confident that if anybody asks me any question regarding the subject I learned these 4 months, I would be very confident to answer them, and I won't have any doubt. So they have helped me be thorough in my knowledge, and they've explained me everything properly. There are two things. One is 3D modeling. 3D modeling was very hard for me before I joined 10x. I liked 3D printing, but I never really was able to model what we're supposed to for 3D printing, and then I learned how to compile it and make it in the correct format which the 3D printer accepts. And then the second thing is the code. Now I can understand the code by seeing it a few times, but earlier I never understood the code and just used to do with hardware. So coding is one thing that I've learned more. IoT was the most fun project I've done in this 4 months, because working with internet is very fascinating for me, and creating dashboards and connecting it with your hardware seems very exciting for me. My journey in 10x was very good. I learned a lot of things. I would like to continue so that I gain more knowledge and I become good in AI and robotics. The journey at 10x has been very good and I've enjoyed it a lot.
I learned like 3D designing and printing. Then I can also prepare codes using AI. Then I can even join electronic components and use them.
Okay.
I build a drone model. I have to build it 4 to 5 times because I was failing again and again. But it was I enjoyed the process of building it and improving it. But school teachers are a bit more strict, and they don't give much freedom and all that. They do everything.
Okay.
And these mentors are they are very frank with us, and they keep talking with us. The school teachers are not. Joined 10x, it changed my life.
Yes, I love modeling and making the designs a lot, and then of course I like slicing it. There are so many options, and then you can put it in the 3D printer and you see how it makes it. I enjoy that. Yes, I made an iPad stand, I made a shoe horn, I made lots of things.
Okay.
I enjoyed it the most, again, because of the designing, but I also really enjoyed the project we did with the satellite. I really loved doing the step-by-step guide and working with my team. That was a lot of fun. I think school teachers are a lot focused on the books, and they just teach you theoretically, but here you actually learn how to use the breadboard. You make the circuits. Then once you learn it, then you have to apply the knowledge that you learned.
Okay.
And so once we learned how to make a dashboard, then we had to make our own dashboard using AI a little bit, but then again, everything, all the connections you made yourself. You had to figure out what the problem was if it wasn't working. So they were very interactive. They helped us a lot, and of course, if we ever had a problem, then we would ask them, but they would always explain to us the problem, whatever it was. Even if they had to fix the problem themselves, they would explain what it was and how they fixed it. I used to think hardware was super boring. And now I think it's a very important part of the future. And if I want to do anything in my life, then like hardware is important because I'm very interested in it.
So I think 10x Tech Club has really defined the way that I think about technology and my future too. I think the biggest thing that I can do today that I could not have done before I joined 10x was make a circuit. Before I joined 10x, I couldn't even tell the difference from a VCC and a ground. Now I can confidently make a circuit including MPU 6050s, ESP32s, and other many sensors and actuators. I think the mentors here have helped me learn differently in a way that, see, in schools and other classes, we don't really get much hands-on experience with technology, 3D printing, and all these devices. And the mentors here have really helped in getting me to learn what is engineering about in a hands-on way, and I really enjoyed it. Making the satellite along with my three friends was just too much fun. I think the one thing that completely changed my mind was finding out the way that they teach here is so different from anywhere else I've been to. I've been to quite a lot of different tuitions and coaching classes and all the hands-on places, but the way that they teach at 10x is really unique, and I've never seen anything like it. The hands-on work they do, the 3-hour-long sessions where we really go in depth into the topic, it's amazing. The best part I came across in the soft skill sessions, that's definitely going to have to be the TED talk that we listened to. It was really interesting to get to see a 6, maybe 8-year-old go in front and speak in front of like thousands of people. Seeing the way she modulated her voice, seeing the way she handled her matter, manner, emotion, I think it was really interesting, and I hope it helps me today for my upcoming hackathon. My overall journey has been just great. My mentors have continuously helped me, my friends have been supportive, they've pushed me to learn further, and I hope that by the end of this I can confidently say that I'm proud to be a part of 10x Tech.
I think I really like coming to 10x Tech Club because it provides like an interactive session for so many people. It made me interested in Arduino and HTML and so many other things. So all of the mentors like Jagannath sir, they're very kind and they're very helpful. And like compared to teachers, they're not strict and they won't start shouting at you. So I think I could do like much more advanced HTML code and some Arduino circuit I can do. I developed from somebody who barely knew anything about tech, and now I can do many more concepts, advanced concepts, pretty nicely.
At 10x, I get to work with many electronics, do things like creative things like 3D printing, and I can make any electronic component I want. It was good. I progressed from like knowing little things to like knowing a lot of things, like from one language to like 5 languages, and I got to learn a lot about 3D printing.
I could not do much about technology if I would have not attended these classes, I would have not helped my parents with their office problems or their presentation. These mentors are different from other schools, classes and other places. They also encourage us and they don't judge. That's the biggest opportunity for us, that they don't judge, so we won't get our morals down. So these are the best mentors I've ever faced, and I would like to stay with them for my life.
I am very excited to play with my Hexapod. I had never seen such a thing ever before, and it has such amazing features, and that's the thing I couldn't do before and till now at 10xTechClub, because they teach us more practically than that of the school. The schools just give us syllabus, a lot of syllabus, and we have to just study it. I like coming over here because they give us live experiments, which makes me more interested in it. And as I've learned so many things from 10xTechClub, I think more properly about technology and my future and what else can I do. The soft skill session too, which was held, it taught me very much of things like hand gestures, voice modulation, and many more. And that's a session I remember for the rest of my life.
First things first, in school, even if you're doing something like we're not even allowed to touch test tubes, like, or even if something like a little stone that you're supposed to be doing something on, or a leaf, you're not even allowed to touch that. But over here, I've bought some LEDs and nothing can happen. But something I learned here is how to 3D print, how to take care of it. So now if I want something for my birthday gift, I know what it is. I love 10xTechClub coming here because first things first, this is one of the most things that I actually, my favorite class that I look forward to. Also, I don't like going to my friend's class. It's actually a 50-50. My Marathi class, 50-50 again. Because sometimes we have to do a lot of writing. Over here, most of the time you're making something, typing, doing something, or maybe even short-circuiting an MPU 60-50 by mistake.
Over here, there's a lot of technology and stuff, but in school, there's not that much. It's fun, and plus, I get to learn new things.